Just gorgeous. Nonna would be proud. Ingredients: creamy chickpeas pasta, a southern Italian classic. I don't know why, but I really feel like creamy, cozy, and gorgeous. Just like me. A bay leaf, a little bit of rosemary, generous pinch of salt, and let it sizzle until translucent, just like my heart. Let's add some chili pepper. It's the holidays. Now, to make it colorful, because we love the color, a little tomato paste. Legumes are easy. If they're dry, you soak them overnight. If you want to get them in a jar or a can, it's also fine. They're pre-soaked. Now we're using pre-soaked chickpeas. These legumes recipe are such easy one-pot pasta recipes. You can use beans, you can use chickpeas in this case, you can use lentils. They're so delicious. And let me tell you, you can make this completely vegan should you wish. Today, of course, we're going to use Parmigiano Reggiano. Now, did you know that if you look long and hard, you will also find a vegan Parmigiano Reggiano version? It just started. But the regular classic Parmigiano Reggiano is not vegetarian nor vegan. So in this case, this recipe can be adjusted to your needs. As we add the Parmigiano Reggiano, you'll see something magical happens. That rind melts in it. It's so much flavors. They're sizzling with the juices before we add the water. Rosemary is done, and bay leaf, it's done. They've given the flavors. Just plain water will do. It's so flavorful already. Parmigiano rind, don't throw it away. Use it in your soups, even in the chickpeas. Did you know that this imprint of Parmigiano Reggiano, it's not ink. It's the mold with the little spiky things that imprint on the wheel of Parmigiano. You don't have to be worried, just scrape for impurities. But really, the Parmigiano Reggiano gets brushed on a regular basis while it ages. It's the most gorgeous cheese of all. And you can eat it from A to Z. I don't even know if that's a thing. But basically, you can eat the whole thing. Now, this is gonna cook faster because they're already pre-soaked and pressure cooked. The ones you get in the jar usually come pre-soaked and pressure cooked. If you wanna do it with dry beans, which is really nice, you soak them yourself. But remember, they're gonna take a long time to cook because they also have to be cooked in advance and they take a little longer to soften. Now, these are boiling 10 minutes max. Salt abundantly. Buonissimo ragazzi, buonissimo! Proprio come voi. And it's ready, you serve it just like this. And now a scrunch of freshly ground pepper. Mamma mia! A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And a waterfall of Parmigiano Reggiano. And now it's ready to be served.